Hey guys, we got this DELLA mini split bracket system. We're gonna go ahead and install it. It's a universal bracket, so you can really use it for any mini split you like, but we like this brand DELLA. There's um, a level thing on the top, so I'll show you that while we install it. All right, we got it all screwed and it's all level with the level that I was telling you about. And then it's got these feet here, and it's really easy. They just have this little part right here, and they just slide on. All right, so you guys saw me struggling putting that last leg in there. We ended up having to take the screws out and then sliding these legs on. So that's one thing that I did wrong, but we're moving along with the rest of the install. So we got the legs on, I got them measured. We still need to put the rubber feet on down here, so we're gonna do that next. All right, we're putting in the screw or the nuts and the pads here on the end. They only go in one way. If you put them the other way, they don't slide in. So you would slide that one in, and then this one also has a little thing you put on there, slide it sideways, and that's how it lines up right there, guys. So I'll show you how it looks with the condenser unit on it. All right, so we got the bracket all of the condensing unit all bolted down with the bolts that came in the kit, so that was handy. We didn't have to buy any extra bolts. And it works great. So this is going to work out great for our mini split. Like I said, this is a universal bracket, so you can use it on any mini split you want. So that's it. All right, guys, we're all done. It does come with all the hardware and bolts, whether you need to mount this thing to concrete or brick or wood. It does come with those bolts, so that's very handy. So whatever. Oh, the dog wants to come say good job. So that's it. We got her done. And if you guys need a mini split bracket, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.